We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more confusing vocabulary in English and homophones, just like those two. For example, those are not homophones, but they get a lot of people confused, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So the top word, it comes from the verb to sew, spelled S-E-W, to sew, meaning to join or to attach, to make by sewing. And it is said as SOWN, SOWN. Now the bottom word comes from a different verb, also pronounced sow, spelled S-O-W, meaning planting seeds, essentially planting plants in a pot, for example. And it's also said as sown. So essentially those two words are homophones, meaning they are to be pronounced exactly the same way, same pronunciation, sown, sown. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.